All right, so this is how you change an automatic cam chain tensioner in a 2006 CBR F4i. So this is the old one. Not much to do with it, so just set to the side. Got it out. Make sure you have a new gasket. So when you get a new one, you'll have a tool, and so this will come with a bolt on the end of this. It'll look just like that. You want to take that bolt out while it's out of the bike. You're going to have a tool that comes with it, and you'll see there's a little, it's almost like a key. So as I spin it, it'll pull the pinion in. See how that's coming in? It'll go all the way till you can't anymore. Right there, it'll stop. What you want to do is you want to put it just like that, lock that in place. We'll come around to the bike. Don't mind the shit show, but on an F4i, it's behind the frame rail, so it's a piece of shit to get into. So you got to actually take the whole throttle body off and tank and the airbox. Make sure you pop something so you don't get any dirt in here. But what you'll want to do is you want to set this in, and you'll want to make sure these bolts are locked in tight. And then when those bolts are locked in tight, you're going to pull this out, and it'll automatically set its tension. It'll slap in. Make sure those bolts are torqued, and then you'll take that at the end, and you'll put it in, and then that's how you change an automatic cam chain tensioner on a 2006 CBR F4i.